What is the breadboard? No, it's not something that you just cut bread on. So back in the day, people used to use these breadboards to put tacks in and wires in and make their own circuits. It was popular, it was easier than wire wrap, which was really the popular technique at the time. So they invented this thing called the breadboard, which would be more organized when you built your circuits and didn't involve soldering. So it's really easy. Let's look at what's inside the breadboard. So there are these vertical rails that go down and these horizontal bars that go across. And they're all made of metal. They're made of these little metal clips that allow you to clip wires together. So if you see, the rails are connected down and the bars are horizontal across. So let's check it out. So if I put this wire here in this rail, it goes all the way down because there's one piece of metal that goes all the way down there. So any other wires I connect along that line will be connected to that first wire. Same goes for the bars, except they're shorter. If I connect this bar here, then it's all the way up until the middle divider. Any other wires connected along that will be connected together. If I want to connect to the other side, I got to go to the other side, and anything along there will be connected. And that works pretty much anywhere on the board. All the bars just go horizontally across everywhere. Let's look inside the board one more time. You'll see this is how everything's connected to each other in the board. So let's take two black wires, two red wires, an LED, and of course the EVLab 1.4. So let's connect one of the red wires to the 3.3 volt rail and the black wire to the ground, like this. Then we're going to connect the red wire to the positive side of the breadboard, the positive side of the rail, and the black wire to the negative rail. And you'll see that that means the power is going all the way down that left rail like this. Now, if I get an LED, we could check to see if the power is really going all the way down. So let's put this LED down here, bang, and when I turn on power, you can see the LED lights up, which means the power is going all the way down the rail like that. Pretty cool. Let's try it a different way. So let's put the LED into a couple bars. Now each leg needs its own bar. So see that? Each leg has its own bar that's going horizontally across. So now we could take two other patch cables and we'll patch from the power rails on the side. We'll patch the ground and the 3.3 volt power to the LED. So you can see those wires are connected to our battery connection from the EVLab 1.4 now. And now we'll connect them to the LED. So you can connect anywhere along one of those horizontal rails. So the positive one's going to the anode of the LED and the negative one will go to the cathode, and there it goes. It's lighting up. Cathode and anode are just fancy ways of saying positive or negative. So there's a way of connecting the LED. Let's try a different way. So if we take the two legs of the LED and we go across the divide in the middle, then we can put the power on one leg and the negative on the other leg, and they go horizontally across like that, but they don't connect over the divide. The LED is, each leg is isolated by that divide. So there you go, that's the breadboard. I encourage you to experiment different ways of connecting LEDs, and goodbye. Peace.